Powder morphology. Just saying those words makes you sound intelligent, I think. In our world, morphology simply means the shape of the powder. Is it angular, globular, spherical? It's really just a vocabulary tool to help quickly characterize an aspect of the powder. But there are three important powder characteristics that morphology drives. Number one, the all-powerful Hall flow rate, which we'll cover another day, is typically directly related to morphology. Our spherical powders, for example, flow free and fast. This means only goodness from a printing point of view. Number two, apparent and tap densities play a critical role in printing. Having spherical powder allows it to flow and pack more efficiently. By more tightly packing the powder particles together, you typically can melt a larger area with less energy. That means faster production rates, and that's a big deal. And number three, our customers are also saying that they're seeing a better surface finish with our powders, and they're attributing it to a lack of satellites and rough particles. So while you may like your friends a little rough around the edges, your powder probably should be as spherical as possible. Drop me a line if you want to talk more about it.